What's up, everybody? I'm Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are learning Somebody's Problem by Morgan Wallen. It's in standard tuning, and you're going to capo the 3rd fret. A couple of tricky chord changes in there, and there is one bar chord, but we're going to work through this thing the best way we can. I'll show you the fingerstyle thing, which is I'm sure why most of you guys are out here trying to figure this song out, because it's kind of cool, really pretty. And then I'll show it to you in a strumming pattern version way as well, so that you'll be able to strum through it if the fingerstyle thing's a little too hard. With that said, if you're trying to learn the guitar and you're having trouble, check out our Beginner Guitar Essentials course. There is a link for that below. There's also a strumming pattern essentials course that's absolutely free. Check out that link as well. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let me know what you think of this lesson in the comments below. And if you're looking for any other Morgan Wallen songs, drop them in the links or drop them in the comments below. Let's get started. All right, so how do we play this fingerstyle part? Okay, so this is kind of my interpretation of it. I think it sounds right, and so that's how I'm going to teach it. It sounds really good. Plus, it's just fun to play. So you're gonna get a D shape. All right, first of all, you get a capo the 3rd fret, and it's in standard tuning, and you're gonna get like a D shape here. All right, so you're gonna play a D shape, but you're gonna get rid of your middle finger because you don't need it. All right, so that means you're open on the 4th string, 2nd fret 3rd string with your index, and then 3rd fret 2nd string with your 3rd finger, and you're gonna use your fingers. It's all fingerstyle. You're gonna go. Alright, so that's thumb. You keep that shape. And you use thumb plucks 4, index plucks 3rd, middle plucks 2nd. So it's. Then I go back to that 3rd fret 2nd string, and then 4th string. So 4, 3, 2, 3, and that's thumb, index, middle, index. Thumb, index, middle, index. Just like that. And then you hit one more 4th string open, so that whole first bit is. Alright, and then this is kind of tricky, but you keep these 2 fingers here and your finger reaches, so now you're throwing what would be a C sharp in the bass relative to the capo. So now your root is off the 5th string, and your thumb plays the 5th string, and your index and middle still play 3rd string and 2nd. So it's 5th string 4th fret relative to the capo. So you got. So you got first bit, and then pinky. These 2 fingers stay, like I said. Pinky goes to the 4th fret, 5th string, and you go 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and then you play the 4th string again. That's how I'm doing it. So just like that. So that's 5th, 3, 2, 3, and then 4th string open. And then my index and my pinky come up, 3rd finger stays, and my index goes to the 5th string, 2nd fret, again, relative to the capo, and you go 5, 3, 2, 3, just like that. So that's coming from this, and then you go 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and that's 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and then I go 4th string again. So. Then I reach back up, this is the tricky part, to the 4th fret 5th string, and my index comes back to the 2nd fret 3rd string, and you go back to 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then the whole thing starts back over. So I'm going to go through that again really slow. So your D shape, no middle finger, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and that's all thumb, index, middle on all of this. And then 5th string, 4th fret. So that's 5, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then 2nd fret, 5th string, middle finger comes up, 3rd finger stays. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then jump back up to 5, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then the whole thing starts over. So you got. So, because we're capoed here, we're kind of in the key of F, but playing it as a D shape. So let's talk about the shapes that we just went through. So we went from a a D, to a D with an F sharp in the bass, to a G but with a B in the bass. Alright, so that's still G if you were to get all 4 fingers up there, or 3, but you're just getting rid of the root and making the root off the 5th string now, so that's a third inversion. Third is in the root. And then you go back to D with an C sharp in the bass. So D with the C sharp, G/B, D with the C sharp. That way you know what chords you're at there. And it's a great little walk down. Just like that. Very nice sounding chord progression. So then let's talk about, that's the intro and the verses. So let's talk about the pre-chorus. Is a G shape, but I'm only going to really need, so a G shape is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. That's middle, index, open, open, third finger, pinky. All right, but really in the end of the day, all I really need is my third finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, and my middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, and my third finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and I'm going to go like this. Just like that. So I'm going to go kind of the same pattern, but we're just going to kind of circle around it. So, but we're going to go 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, like that. So, and that's thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, and then I go to a A, but we're gonna play an A7. Okay, so this is a cool shape. It's open on the 5th string, and my middle finger is gonna play the 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd string, and then my third finger is gonna play the 2nd fret, 2nd string. And you do the same pattern, so you go 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3. And then I let it sit there so I have time to get to the D chord. So that pre-chorus again, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, A7. That's the sound. Then I go 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3. And then from there, I'm going to go to a strumming thing, okay? So now we've got a D. All right, that's open, 2, 3, 2. All right, and then we're gonna do a bar chord, a minor bar chord. All right, so that's gonna be 2nd fret, 5th string with my index, 4th fret, 4th string with my 3rd, 4th fret, 3rd string with my middle, 3rd fret, 2nd string with my middle finger. That was my pinky back there, actually. And then you strum from the 5th string down. So you bar your index, your wrist has to come out just slightly, and then you're on to the then you strum from the 5th string down, B minor. All right, so now the chorus, I'm going down, 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 up, down, 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 up. I'm keeping it really simple here for the strumming. So down, 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 up, and then to B minor, down, down, up, and then we have an E minor. I like the E minor 7th. It sounds cooler. You could do just regular E minor, but that's open, 2nd fret with my index, 2nd fret with my middle, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string with my 3rd finger for the E minor 7th. And then I go to A, which is open, 2, 2, 2. You stack them all up. Index, 2nd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. Or you can do the A7. He goes back and forth between the two. Alright, I kind of like the A7 because it's more interesting to listen to, which is a shape we talked about a little earlier. So E minor, so the chords D, down, down, up, B minor, down, down, up, E minor 7th, A7, then you do that again, D, B minor, E minor 7th, A7 to the B minor, regular A for sure, G, E major. So for the E major, it's open, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, index, 1st fret, 3rd string. All right, and you strum all 6. And so let's do that turn around again. So you've got B minor, for like the last 2 lines of the chorus. Down, 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 up A, down, down, up G, down, down, up E major, then to E minor or E minor 7, A7, and then to D, back to the pattern. Just like that. So let's go through that chorus again. You've got down, 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 up B minor. So that was D. Down, 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 up B minor. Down, down, up E minor. Down, down, up A7. D. Down, down, up B minor. Down, down, up E minor. To the A7. And then to the B minor. B minor. A. G. E7 or E major, just E major, and then E minor or minor 7, A or A7, and then back to the main finger style, just like that. Alright, so there's one little wannabe bridge that happens in there, but it's really just the pre-chorus that happens again. So you got intro, verse, chorus, and then you've got a little back to the G thing, back to like a down chorus. Alright? So now if this is too much for your finger style, if this is too much for you for the finger style stuff, you could just strum it. You could go like a full D shape here, or yeah, full D shape. So, and then you'll reach. So it'd be like down, 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 up. Do the pinky down, 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 up to the G/B. And then you go back up to it. The hardest move in this whole thing is from this G/B back up to that C, D with a C sharp in it. So that might be the only part that gives anybody any trouble here when it comes to strumming or the finger style thing. It's just that move is just kind of weird. And then you got the one weird bar chord. But that's how you play that. Key of F, you got D/F or C sharp, G/B, D/C sharp. Then it starts back over, and then your chorus D, B minor, E minor, A twice, and then B minor, A, like to cheat and borrow it, G, E major, to the E minor, to the A7, to the D. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe. Go check out our beginner guitar class if you need some help or you know someone needing to get started on the guitar.